So now we'll be talking about Raspberry Pi. Okay, you can see we're putting our pieces together, and it's a case of Raspberry Pi. We made it with Lego. So you can see I'm pointing to the ports. That's where I plug the USBs on that, and that's where we put the plug, and then that's where we get to play the game. And this is how I made it. We put our pieces together, and if you want to make it, you can just copy us. I'm putting the pieces together to show you what I'm making. So I made this. I stuck the F and the 3 there, so we don't have to show you the long. It doesn't have to be a long story. So that's where I'm putting it and showing you where I've done it. Now you can see I'm putting it hard, so when I put the Pi in, then it doesn't go. It doesn't break. We're sticking these pieces on, making the outside wall, and now you're just gonna check if it fits. Here I'm showing the Raspberry Pi. Now we're gonna put it in, and now it fits. So now I'm just gonna stick that on. Now I'm just gonna make the side part. I stuck one long piece at the side, and now I'm gonna put another one at the back, and now I might put another one at the side. Yes, I will. And then we're gonna put the top part, so like that. And then we're gonna stick the F at the side of the 3. So you can. Now the F is on. F is on. No, P is on.